Hello everyone, and I welcome you back to Digital HashRate. Hope it has been a long time here. So without wasting much of our time, we are going to check another mysterious mining app, which is called Satoshi BTCs. So what we are going to look at this today is that we are going to look what is Satoshi, what are the functions, and how is Satoshi working from other app. Without further ado, let us get started. As first, I want to thank everyone and all the people that have subscribed to my channel. So if you are not subscribed, make sure you do so that it will make me to bring more content as soon as possible. So without wasting much of our time, let us get started. But first, so let me open this app. So I've opened the app and I'm going to my menu here. Go to recruit menu, and copy my haul. So I want to make everything from scratch. So at first, before talking about application, okay, so let assume I want to paste the URL here. So I've already pasted the URL. I pasted my Telegram channel this evening. So that's what I told you people. If you have not joined my Telegram channel, make sure you do so. So you can just search for HashRate update. So once you see it, you just do what? You just join. So because sometimes I don't post video on YouTube. Normally I update my people on Telegram. So make sure you join my Telegram channel in order not to miss any other content. So I've already dropped the link since this evening. This is the link. So if you click on it, you'll be redirected to this site, and you just have to do what? Click on register, then you put your email. After that, so they will be asked for next thing. So let's assume I want to input this email address here. I'm going to use this email as Sam. So you have to type this image that is here. So anyone can appear from your own too. You have to type it. This one is 6446. Then click on next. So after that, they will send you an verification code to your email. So you just have to do what? You just have to get to your email, then input the code. Once you input the code, then click on next thing. So you just have to make sure that you follow all the steps one by one. So after that, you'll be directed to do what? To download the application. So once you download the application, then you open the app. And just click on me button. Click on me. Then you have to click on this. So once you click on it, it will ask you to do what? To log in your Gmail and your password that you use on their website. So you have to make sure you log in. So once you log in, so but before showing you on how to earn, let me show you the meaning of this BTCs itself. At first, what is BTCs? BTCs comes from as you can see that the name is BTCs. So the BTCs is generated from BTC, the BTC coin that everyone knows today. So it was originated from BTC because this BTCs is owned by the same people of Bitcoin that own Bitcoin. So I think it's Satoshi that own Bitcoin. So it is Satoshi again that do what? Satoshi and his members that do this BTC. And why did they do that? The reason is that in today's technology, everything has changed. So if you remember Pi very well, so Pi, if you are mining Pi, you see that it's a mobile mining Pi. So in today's technology, no one is mining crypto on desktop anymore because mining crypto on desktop, it can consume more energy, so and it can violate the environment stuff. So people are not doing what are not using desktop to mine crypto, although they are still using it though, but in the main future, the only thing that will take over is the phone mobile app. So that is the reason why they have to do what they have to create another project, which is BTCs. So, and how is BTCs function? So as I said earlier, after you have registered on your phone on the website, then you'll be redirected to download the app. Once you download the app, you have to make sure that you log in by clicking on me here. So once you log in, you put your email and your what and your password. So once you put your email and your password, then another thing is that you have to make sure you get your any part of your government ID ready. It can be national ID card, it can be government it can be passports or driver license, just anyway. Just make sure that you have any government ID. So once you get your government ID ready, so you'll be asked, once you log in, then you'll be asked to input your, let's assume you are using NIN, so you just have to type your NIN into this place. So I'm supposed to show it, but I've already did mine, so there is no way I can show it anymore. So just make sure, and if you know that you are confused, that's why I told you to join my Telegram channel. So if you join my Telegram channel, you can just screenshot where you lost. So once you screenshot that area, I will be able to continue to help you from there. So, and we make everything solve together. So make sure that you join my Telegram channel if you are not there already. Make sure that you join, and if you are there already, so make sure you are following us and you are dropping questions so that I can be answering you. So because it is not every time I will be getting more time. So I'm a freelancer, so I don't have much time. That's why I don't drop video like before anymore. So after that, once you have put your email address and your password and you have logged in successfully, then they will ask you to input your, if you are using NIN, as I said earlier, so you have to put your NIN number there. So once you put your NIN number on, then you have to do what? You have to do live detection. So live detection, you have to do live detection on BTCs. So once you do live detection, once you have do live detection, they can ask you to do what? To open your mouth to face camera, and you open your mouth to twist your neck up and right, up and down, just anywhere. So I think you understand that live detection verification. So you have to do that. So once you have do that, because if you don't do all those process, so you won't be able to mine. So you won't be able to claim your BTCs coin. So you have to make sure that you do everything from A to Z. So if you are not in my Telegram channel, join my Telegram channel so that I can push you through and guide you on how to do everything from A to Z. So I will just explain everything here. So if you are lost, join my Telegram channel so that I can explain more further ado. So after that, once you have registered, so but before show you on how to earn on BTCs, so let me first tell you the dashboard. So this place, you can use this place to this course area to track all the coin price. As you can see here, these are the coin here. So BTCs price, everything like that, and the ranking. So the ranking depends on which coin that is number one in the world. So you will see it here, and the mining here, this is where you'll be mining all the time. So this is where this is the area where you need all the time. So, and the news, so the news is about latest news. So it is about latest it is about latest BTCs news. So you have to be checking their news there. So, and this is where you can do what? You can edit your name. You can do everything from here. So once you have do that, once you have registered successfully, and the next thing, but before any, let me show you the redefinition of this app. So from what we hear in last 3 days, we heard that BTCs is going to be like Ethereum, you know. the function of Ethereum. So it's going to be function like Ethereum as well. But the difference between this Ethereum and BTCs is that BTCs is a new coin, so the price will still low, but as the time goes on, the price will be coming high more than other coin, you know. So that is it. And let me show you the dashboard there, because this is where you need. It is this mine area that you need very well. So this is the total supply here. So I don't think I have to explain that. And this is the hash rate. So I will explain all this thing in the next video. So I just give you quick brief about the app itself. So all these things that you are seeing here, from total supply, from hash rate, from my hash, from contributed, my miners, everything like that, recruit miners, white paper. So I will explain everything in the next video. So in the next video now, we are going to talk about all those ones. So see you in the next one.